In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell services with WooCommerce in WordPress, step by step. If you're a freelancer, consultant, coach, designer, developer, or offer any kind of service, this is one of the easiest ways to start accepting payments directly on your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully set up service product, a simplified checkout form, and automated email instructions going out to your clients. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and WooCommerce tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Products and click on Add New. This is where we'll create your service as a product. Even though you're not selling a physical item, WooCommerce allows us to configure this properly so it works perfectly for services. At the top, enter the name of your service. For example, you could write Website Audit, 1-hour consulting call, logo design package, or whatever service you provide. In the large description box, clearly explain what the client will receive, what's included, turnaround time, and any important details. The more clarity you provide here, the fewer questions you'll have to answer later. Now scroll down to the product data box. This is very important. You'll see different options here. First, check the box that says Virtual. The moment you check Virtual, the Shipping tab disappears. That's exactly what we want because you're not shipping anything physical. This tells WooCommerce that this product is a service. Next, stay inside the General tab and enter your price in the regular price field. This is your service fee. If you want to run discounts in the future, you can also use the sale price field, but for now, just enter your standard rate. You can also add a product image on the right-hand side. This could be a branded graphic, a photo of you, or a simple service banner. Once everything looks good, click the blue Publish button in the top right corner. Congratulations, your service is now live and purchasable. Now let's optimize the checkout experience. Since you're selling a service, you probably don't need shipping addresses or unnecessary fields. To customize this, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type Checkout Field Editor. Install and activate the plugin. Once activated, go to WooCommerce and click on Checkout Form. Inside here, you'll see different tabs like Billing and Shipping. Click on the Shipping tab and disable all fields. Since this is a virtual service, shipping information is not needed at all. Then go to the Billing tab. Here, you can simplify the form by disabling fields like company name, postcode, or any other fields you don't require. The goal is to make checkout as short and frictionless as possible. The shorter the form, the higher your conversion rate will be. Next, let's set up automated instructions so customers know what to do after payment. Go to WooCommerce, then Settings, and click on the Emails tab. Find Processing Order and click Manage. Scroll down to the Additional Content box. This is where you can add custom instructions that will be included in the order confirmation email. For example, you could write, "Thanks for booking. Please click the link below to schedule your call on Calendly," or reply to this email with your project files and requirements. You can paste your scheduling link directly into this box. Once you've added your instructions, click Save Changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up WooCommerce to sell services instead of physical products. You created a virtual product, removed unnecessary checkout fields, and automated your follow-up instructions. Now customers can pay you directly on your website, and you can streamline your entire service workflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step WordPress and WooCommerce guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.